Welcome to Microsoft Intune tutorial, part 3. We're diving deeper into managing and securing your devices. In this segment, we will cover device configuration, application deployment, and conditional access policies. Let's start with device configuration profiles, which are key to enforcing settings and features across your managed devices. We'll walk through the process of creating a new device configuration profile tailored to your organizational needs. Learn how to configure specific settings and restrictions, such as security policies and enabling or disabling device features. Next, let's explore app management and deployment, a critical function for ensuring your users have the necessary tools to work efficiently. Discover how easy it is to add various applications, whether they are store apps, line of business apps, or web links to Intune. We will show you how to assign these applications to specific users or groups to ensure the right people get the right tools. Moving on to conditional access policies, which are vital for enhancing your security posture and protecting corporate resources. Learn how to define specific access requirements, such as requiring multi-factor authentication or compliant devices before users can access company data. We'll demonstrate the steps for implementing strong security controls using conditional access to enforce policy adherence. Finally, let's look at monitoring and troubleshooting within Intune, crucial for maintaining a healthy and secure environment. See how to review device status, including compliance reports and configuration success, to keep tabs on your fleet. We'll introduce you to Intune's diagnostic tools to quickly identify and resolve common issues that may arise. That wraps up part 3 of our Intune tutorial. Join us for part 4, where we will explore advanced topics like custom reporting and integration with other Microsoft services.